Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kool Zone. I would like to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for letting us reach 2,000 subscribers. I love you guys dearly. Here we go, all chopped up, ready to go. Next, we are going to just mix this baby up with some eggs. So while I have a moment here, it's been such an amazing journey. This YouTube has been. I met some amazing friends along the way. People that I've grown with. We started from a small channel, and we still are a small channel, but you have to give credit to where it's due. Reaching 1,000 is a very huge accomplishment to a lot of YouTubers, and reaching 2,000 is a major accomplishment also. I think each milestone that you take and that you reach and you accomplish is a huge milestone, and everyone should be proud of themselves for never giving up. So please, while you're still on this journey, and even though you may go through rough times, don't give up, because there's someone out there that's watching you, and someone out there that needs to see what you're doing, or even if you say stuff, needs to hear what you say, because you never know, you could be someone's bright sunshine. So don't give up, keep this journey going. And for this creation we are working on, this right here is all you're gonna need to make this thing pop off. For those of you that don't know, Camouflage Records is a part of the Kool Zone, and Chase Fire, the artist that I usually have in my background as my music, we are partners in this music game, so all our music is by us. Now, like I say all the time, the building process is always my favorite part, because I love seeing how everything comes together. And let me tell you, I love how this came together. I love how the onions and peppers, the cheese, everything just clicked together. Pushing this baby down, once I pulled it up, I was like, wow, look at this. You see on the side, you see the cheese, just, oh man. And while we have our biscuits getting prepped up over there, we're gonna work on the bacon. And like I said before, I'm a big fan of Wright's Bacon, so big shout out to Wright's Bacon. To me, I believe their bacon is the best, nice and thick, and the taste is amazing. So definitely, if you love bacon like me, you should definitely pick yourself up some Wright's Bacon.
As you bite down on your lip, please show me what you're thinking. I got her right here, she's planking. We off the bed on the ground raw. She like the way I put it down. Oh, I'm about to go and blast off. I'm about to go and blast off. Blast off. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. NASA. I just want you on my spaceship, baby, on my spaceship. Come and take a ride. You on my spaceship, baby, on my spaceship. Come and take a ride. Come and take a ride with me. Get high with me. Get high with me. Come fly with me. Come fly with me. Tonight with me. Tonight with me. On my spaceship, baby, on my body motion so nice. Gotta lotion up twice. Just a look in her eyes got me feeling alright. Oh, I like when she scratch, and I hope that she bite. She be taking control, got me ready to go twice. I know just what she like, I know just what she like. She be talking all dirty like, baby, talk to me nice. Yeah, I'ma talk to you nice, but first I'ma make sure that I'm loving you right. Yeah, I'm loving you right. Girl, forget the fussing and fighting. No more clash of the titans. You can hop on my spaceship and just ride it. Just ride it. Morning, night, exciting. It's not boring, it's exciting. Foreign, exotic. Oh, I'm loving your body. And we off the bed on the ground raw. She likes the way I put it down. Oh, I'm about to go and blast off. I'm about to go and blast off.